The battle over Twitter's future is moving into a courtroom, not in California, where it is headquartered, but in Delaware, where the social media company was incorporated in 2007. On Tuesday, Twitter sued billionaire Elon Musk in the Delaware Court of Chancery, a hub of high-profile corporate litigation that is more than 2 centuries old, descended from the High Court of Chancery in Great Britain. In a 62-page lawsuit, the company asked the court to order the world's richest man to complete a $44 billion takeover deal he has been trying to back out of. Musk is no stranger to the Delaware Court of Chancery. Last year, the Tesla CEO prevailed in a suit brought by the company's shareholders. The court also has decided cases involving the likes of Facebook, Goldman Sachs, and McDonald's. What is the Delaware Court of Chancery? Many public companies, including roughly 2/3 of the Fortune 500, are incorporated in Delaware, and while the state's corporate-friendly tax system is a big reason why, so is its Court of Chancery, which has jurisdiction over corporate law. Established in 1792, the court says it deals with corporate matters, trusts, estates, and other fiduciary matters, disputes involving the purchase and sale of land, questions of title to real estate, and commercial and contractual matters in general. How is it different from other courts? The Delaware Court of Chancery is more specialized than most courts in the U.S. While other courts consider cases in which one party is seeking monetary damages from another, the Court of Chancery does not. Instead, it is a court of equity. What does that mean, exactly? David Margules, a Wilmington-based partner with the law firm Ballard Spahr, explains, "You are asking the court to enter an order that requires someone to do something, or prohibits someone from doing something. Which is what Twitter is doing in this case." In its lawsuit, it is asking the Delaware Court of Chancery to order the defendants, Musk and 2 corporations he established to facilitate his takeover deal, to close the deal. Experts say companies may prefer courts of equity because they know the judges understand the ins and outs of corporate law. They become intimately familiar with case law, and they can handle cases in a sophisticated, efficient manner. In other courts, judges tend to be pulled in many different directions. Who sits on the court? There are 7 judges, 1 chancellor and 6 vice-chancellors. Picked by the governor, they tend to be longtime members of the Delaware State Bar Association who have spent their careers doing corporate litigation. The judges are generally experienced practitioners who cut their bones in private practice doing complex cases, and they work extraordinarily hard. Notably, in the Delaware Court of Chancery, there are no jury trials. The judges hold enormous power,